Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove emergency contacts from iPhone. So guys, let's get started this video without wasting any time. So guys, before starting the video, please like this video and subscribe this channel. So guys, first of all, open the health app on your iPhone. So here is the health app, tap on it. So after this after this, tap on the profile icon in the right corner. So simply tap on medical ID, tap on edit in the right corner. So here is my medical ID. So simply scroll down. So here is emergency contacts. So simply tap on the red button, tap on delete, tap on red button and tap on delete. So guys, here is the simply you can remove and add emergency contacts from here. So if you want to add emergency contacts, so simply tap on add emergency contact and add any contact for emergency, and then after this simply tap on done in the right corner. So go back now and check it again. So if it's removed, tap on parallel. So tap on edit. So here you can see guys, the emergency contact has been removed from my medical ID. So simply tap on done and go back. So guys, here are the some simple solution. Here is the simple solution to remove your emergency contacts. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.